In this video, I'll show you guys how to install WooCommerce on your WordPress website. So first log into your WordPress website and then go to dashboard. Once you are on dashboard, go to plugins, click on this plugins. Once you are on plugin page, you will see a button here. It says add plugin, press add plugin and then search in this search plugin bar WooCommerce. Once you search WooCommerce, you'll see WooCommerce by automatic. You press this button install now and this will install WooCommerce on your WordPress and then activate. Once you activate, the WooCommerce is activated on my WordPress site now. Then go to plugins, WooCommerce setting. Once you are on settings page, go to first option general and select your address. Put your address, city, country, postcode, and then if you are selling to all countries, select sale to all countries. And if you are selling to sale to all countries except for, and if you want to sell to only few countries, and then for example if you want to sell to Afghanistan, if you want to sell to all countries but not Afghanistan, you can put sale to all countries except for Afghanistan. If you want Albania or American Samoa, then you can remove these countries from your store. And if you want to say select to specific countries, for example I want to sell to Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Australia, you can sell to only these four countries. So I want to sell to all countries, so I put all countries. Shipping location, because I'm selling to all countries, I will ship to all countries. But you can ship to all countries you sell to. You can choose ship to specific countries only, or you can disable shipping and shipping calculations. Default customer locations, you can choose shop country or region, and or you can choose no location by default, or geolocate with page caching support. These two options, don't worry about it, you can choose either one of them. I choose no location by default. You can choose that, and then you can leave all these options like that, or you can taxes and coupons, just leave it like enable the use of coupon codes. You can later on create coupons for your customers. And enable taxes, you can enable taxes if you want to charge taxes from your client. You can choose currency, I'll leave it in US dollars. You can change into any currency you want, and leave the currency position as it is and save changes. Then you can go to products. The shop page is selected, so when you create your products, they all go to this one page called shop page. All your products gonna be on listed on this page. You can leave everything like that for now. Enable product reviews. If you want product reviews from your customer, you can turn this on. It's already enabled, you don't have to touch it. And show verified owner label on customer reviews, leave everything on like this. And then go to shipping. So I delete this. So once you're on shipping, I'll delete this too. Yeah, so once you're on shipping, you go to add shipping zone here, and you zone name. So I'll select all countries everywhere, and then you have to select the shipping method. I'll press shipping method. You can charge free shipping, you can ship for free, or you can charge flat rate. I'll select flat rate and continue. And then flat rate, if it's taxable you can press this, if it's none you can press none. And then you charge $10. I'll charge $10 flat rate and create and save. Now the WooCommerce is going to charge $10 from every customer who buys from my shop. Then you go to payment options, and here you install accept payments with Woo. You install this, and then PayPal payments will automatically install. And then you connect your WordPress store, and then you activate payments and submit for verification. You have to complete all these 4 steps. Once they are done, your setup is completed for payments. And then you can install PayPal payments. You can install PayPal payments as well. Make sure you have to complete the setup as well for PayPal. You have to put all your information, you have to activate PayPal, you have to have a business PayPal business account and everything. And then you can, if you don't have these two options and you think these two options not going to work in your country because your country is cash economy or any other, or PayPal is not working in your country, you can choose take offline payment. You can press this and you can have direct bank transfer, check payments, or cash on delivery. Okay, the second best option is after WooCommerce and PayPal is enable cash delivery, so you can charge customers by when the product is delivered to their door. Accounts and privacy, you can leave this for now, but if you want to go through it, you can go through it and see if anything works for you, but you don't really have to. If anything's against your store, you can change it. If everything's all right, you can just leave it on. So for example, checkout, enable guest checkout. Of course this should be enabled. It's enabled, right? It's recommended as well. So it's enable login during checkout. You can enable this if customer has to log in during checkout. I don't have to, so I just leave it like that. Account creation, allow customers to create an account during checkout. You can do that, yeah. You can, during checkout you can ask customers to, if they want to log in, they can create accounts. You can press on this, and same as this, customers can create an account before placing their order on my account page. Oh, and all these other options, you don't have to touch them. I didn't touch them on my other store, I just left them like that. Emails, and these are all the emails, like it's setting to my personal, so new orders emails goes to this recipient, and cancel order goes, email goes to this. You can change this here if you want to, if you have your business email, you can change this from here. Leave this. Site visibility, you can make sure if it's coming soon live. If you have done all the settings and all the setup is complete, you can press live and save changes. Point of sale is my store name, physical address if you have a physical address, phone number, email address, and then save changes. And here, if you are selling in multiple currencies, you can enable multiple currencies. And advanced settings, you just leave, don't touch it, just leave it as it is. And that's your WooCommerce store setup is complete. In next videos, I'll show you guys how to add products in WooCommerce, and how to create coupons in WooCommerce, and a lot more. If you want to know any other stuff, you can message me, you can email me, or you can comment me in under this video, and I'll make that video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.